Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best car buffer that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Black & Decker Random Orbital Buffer. The WP900 Black & Decker 6-inch Random Orbit Waxer removes swirl marks with minimal effort, and does so very quickly while buffing and polishing your paint job, according to one of the many happy buyers. As Amazon's choice for car buffer, and our pick for the best random orbital polisher buffer, this product has a 1250-watt motor and is highly rated for its two-handle grip and its light 5.3-pound body that allows more control without users growing tired. It also has a 10-foot cord so you don't have to stop and replug while in the middle of a polishing and buffing job. Some buyers, however, found the best polishing results when they used aftermarket pads with this random orbital buffer instead of the ones that come with the actual product. Moving on at number 4, we have the SPTA Buffer Kit. For a quality car buffer kit that comes with everything you need at a good price, look to the SPTA Rotary Buffer Kit. The kit includes a powerful 125mm and 150mm dual-action polisher and many additional products and accessories that make this buy excellent value for money. Polishing pads, wool pads, backing plates, and sandpaper, all of which range in size and/or function, to fit any kind of detailing project, and a bag to keep them all organized. This 780-watt motor, all ball-bearing construction rotary buffer checks the box for both quality and quantity, with regards to accessories, but, since it is not a double-action buffer, care should be taken with the speed and pressure applied, particularly when buffing a clear coat, to avoid damage. A professional detailer who tried this kit wrote it as a great deal, and added that the extras that come with it are so useful. At number 3, we have the ENEACRO Variable Speeds Polisher. With a 6-level speed dial, the ENEACRO Variable Speed Polisher and Car Buffer allows users to get a professional finish on a variety of different surfaces. The buffering speed on these rotary buffers can be set from 1500 to 3500 RPM, and the self-lock allows users to maintain a speed that is comfortable. It comes with 3 replaceable polish pads. The orange polish pad to remove shallow scratches, the yellow polish pad for slightly larger, but still small, scratches, and the black pad for waxing and removing excess product. With its light 5.5-pound weight, and 2 detachable handles that make it even more comfortable and easy to use, it's clear that this product was designed to take a load off, and one happy customer wrote that the variable speeds are a must and help the job get done with less effort. It also comes with replaceable polisher pads for many different applications. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guys TORQX Car Detailing Kit. For both the first-timers and the buffing masters, the Chemical Guys Car Detailing Kit features everything needed for that perfect detailing paint job when polishing your car for both single-stage and clear coat paint finishes. It includes a cleaner and conditioner, microfiber cloths, and you'll always have the perfect pad on hand for your needs, as there are 5 in the kit. The TORQX Dual-Action Random Orbital Polisher is the star of this kit and leaves each buffing project with a great finish. The key to its power shine lies in its orbital buffer movement that prevents users from burning through the paint or creating unsightly swirls. Many reviewers were able to bring their paint back to life with this random orbit waxer buffer, with one explaining, "It cuts down the time it takes to detail the car and makes it effortless," and another added that it is flawless, with no swirls or holograms effects. And finally at number 1, we have the SPTA Cordless Car Buffer. While the SPTA Cordless Car Buffer is rather on the small side, with a 1 to 2-inch backing plate and compact body, the general consensus according to many happy customers is that this little guy packs a mean punch, and is ideal in polishing those hard-to-reach areas. With a maximum speed of 6000 RPM, almost double that of the standard polisher, this car buffer is fast and smooths out deep scratches efficiently. It features a variable speed adjustment that allows users to set the appropriate dual-action rotation speed to their skill set or surface. While it's number 10-inch buffer, the compact size of this tool is what makes it perfect for those tight areas and, since the tool is cordless and very lightweight, it's perfect for detailing on the go. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.